What's up guys, just gonna show you real quick how to change out your cabin air filter on an R chassis. Alright, so today we're gonna be replacing it on an R34 GTR. It's actually very simple to do. All you really need is a screwdriver. Alright, so first you're gonna want to take off your kick panel. Pop it off. Put that somewhere else. And then you're gonna take off the ECU cover here. And then there's gonna be a couple of screws you're gonna want to take out. It's gonna be one down here, one on the opposite end. Right underneath, there's gonna be these little pins you're gonna want to pop off. You just literally just grab them, and they should just get right on out. So on both sides, it should come out. Then that should just release your glove box. Yeah. Take off your screws. Should be 4 screws underneath here. You're gonna want to take those off, and that should just come right off. So your filters are gonna be right behind this plate here. And they should just slide right out. Look at that. Dirty. This is the air you guys are breathing in these cars, so look at that. Get these replaced, guys. You do not want to be breathing this stuff in. You do want to also try and clean out in there, because it is nasty. Let's check this out. Let's just never been replaced most likely, and it's just caked in dust and who knows what else this car's been in. Here's the new ones. Come with a little foam gasket piece. And then look at that.
Look at the difference in filter.
Night and day difference here. So you get your little foam gasket. Just apply it around it. So there's also a little logo here you want to pay close attention to. This you want facing towards the grate, and this facing up, obviously, so you're going to want it in this orientation here. You're good to go. So now that we're done putting them back in, make sure they're in the correct orientation. Just want to align them up like so. That way the grates are facing towards your driver's side. Just put them back in. Just get your cover. You're done. Just like that, everything's back together. Super simple, easy install. Just a screwdriver is all you need.